Hello everybody and welcome to my German language course. I'm a German native speaker and in my previous lessons you learned all about the nominative case, the accusative case and the dative case. So in this lesson you will learn all about the genitive case. So first of all you need to know that the genitive case has 4 different functions in German. The first one would be if a noun is an object of a genitive verb or a genitive construction. The second function of the genitive case is the indication of possession and relationships. The third one is when a noun is used as an object of a genitive preposition. The fourth function is when it is used for expressions of indefinite time. So let's start with the first function, when the noun is used as an object of a genitive verb or a genitive construction. So let's take a look at the pronouns and the articles in the genitive case. For the first person singular, the pronoun is meiner. For the second person singular, the pronoun is deiner. For the third person singular, for male nouns, it is seiner. For female nouns, it is ihre. And for neutral nouns, it is seiner as well, just like for male nouns. For first person plural, the pronoun is unser. For the second person plural, euer. And for the third person plural, it is ihre. Let's take a look at the articles. The definite articles and the indefinite articles in the genitive case are as follows. For male nouns, the definite article is des. The indefinite article is eines. For female nouns, the definite article is der and the indefinite article is einer. For neutral nouns, it is the same like for male nouns, des and eines. Then we have a definite article for plural nouns in the genitive case, and this article is called der. For plural nouns in the genitive case, we don't have an indefinite article. So let me demonstrate you how to use the pronouns and the articles of the genitive case. Let's take for instance the sentence, he's ashamed of you. Which word is the subject of the sentence? It is he. Therefore the German word for he is er, which is the personal pronoun for male nouns. And the sentence starts with schämt sich. Sich is, by the way, a reflexive pronoun because to be ashamed of is in German a reflexive verb. Therefore sich belongs to the verb. You will learn about the reflexive pronouns in another video of me. It's just important for you right now to know that this word has nothing to do with the 4 cases. It just belongs to the verb and is a reflexive pronoun. So anyway, let's continue. You in this case would be the genitive object in German. Let's take the second person singular. What would be the genitive pronoun? It would be deiner. Therefore the sentence would be schämt sich deiner. Let's try another sentence. The woman has mercy upon the dog. Which one is the subject? The woman. And we take the article die because woman is a female noun in German. Therefore the sentence starts with Die Frau erbarmt sich. And to have mercy upon something is also a reflexive verb in German. Therefore here again you can find the reflexive pronoun. Now the dog is obviously the genitive object. So let's see what kind of article we need to use in German. If you can remember, dog is masculine in German and is translated with Hund, and the is the definite article in English. So let's look for masculine definite article in German. Here it is des. Now you might think, okay, the word for dog is Hund, so the sentence is like Die Frau erbarmt sich des Hund. But here comes the special rule. In the third person singular of the genitive case, masculine and neutral nouns add an s. And an es for most monosyllabic nouns, just like Mond, which becomes to Mondes, and means moon in German. So for our sentence, this would mean we need to add an es to make the sentence correct. Therefore, the sentence would read in its correct form: Die Frau erbarmt sich des Hundes. Now, let's say for instance the woman has mercy upon the cat. The cat is a female noun in German, therefore we have to pick the female article for female nouns in the genitive case, which is der. So the sentence would be like: Die Frau erbarmt sich der Katze. And as you can see, there is no additional s because it's a female noun. And the rule for additional s only applies for neuter and male nouns. Now let's replace the cat with it. How would you translate this sentence in German? Remember that cat is female in German. So which genitive pronoun would you use? Ihre. So the sentence reads: Die Frau erbarmt sich ihrer. Now let's try another one. God has mercy upon sinners. So which one is the subject in the sentence? It is God. He is the third person singular. Therefore the sentence starts with Gott erbarmt sich. So how would you translate the rest of the sentence? Sinners is a plural noun, right? And the article is missing, so there remains only one option to translate it. Namely, to simply use the plural word in German for sinners, which is Sünder. But here again is a special rule about plural nouns in the genitive case. It's the same like in the dative case, and it goes as follows. In the genitive case, plural nouns that don't end in n add an en or an n, except those plurals ending in s. So, for our plural noun, this means we have to add an n to make the sentence correct. The sentence reads therefore: Gott erbarmt sich Sündern. So this was the first part about the genitive case, and my next video deals with the other functions of the genitive case. So I hope you enjoyed it so far and don't get discouraged, because I promise you that the other functions are easier to understand. Until then, I wish you viel Glück, viel Spaß und Tschüss.